Guys, today I will show you how to butterfly click. So I'm going to teach you how guys to butterfly click. So first of all, we're going to go to cbstest.org and I'm going to go for a 2-second test to show you what I can do, okay? So you want to position your fingers like this, 2 fingers right on your primary click button, and you just want to click like this, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so let me show you. I get 14 CPS, 14.5. My highest has been 15.5, and yeah. So that's me clicking, and now I'll show you how it looks in the game. Okay, let me just open this. Open. Launch this, and yeah. Okay, multiplayer. I'm just gonna show you on Hypixel that I can. This mouse can also double and triple click, so that's even better. Like I'm single clicking, and there. Oh, you're not butterfly clicking. So see the difference? Yeah. Okay. Also, guys, you should also subscribe so that we can get the YouTube rank, and so that I don't lag that bad. And yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me show you it in a game. Okay, starting. Bro, this kid. Like, how does he bridge, my guy? I'm gonna die from fall damage. Okay, well, no, I didn't, I guess. What is that, kid? Literally, like, what is this? My guy, what is this? Oh god! Okay, I'm just gonna go rush. Like, I don't know what this. Oh my god, bro. Oh wait, let's take it from here. No, you know what? You know what? Who cares? I'm going with a wood sword. Okay, I'm like, my god, bro. This kid, actually. This kid, bro. I'm almost about to die, my guy. Okay, I don't care. I'm just going for the bed. Oh my! Okay. Oh, there's an invisible! What? He's invisible, bro! At least I got the bed, though. I don't know what these people are doing, though. Like, they are, like, amazing. Like, seriously, bro. They are too good. Like, I'm not joking, man. Okay, well, since I got the bed, so it's basically easy dubs. Like, and if I don't, like, bro, like, these people are bad then. Should probably get iron armor. Yeah. Wait, I can't even see. Okay, there's 2 reds left. Okay, one's over there. I'm on half health, so that's not even fair. But he's in the shop. I'm gonna butterfly click him and get him. Let's go. I'm actually good at the game, bro. No. Give me the gap. Give me the gap. Give me the gap. Wait. I can get... Oh, no. Okay, I'm gonna go destroy them now. Let's go! That was easy dubs, bro. I'm good at the game. That was easy dubs. That was easy dubs. Okay. So, yeah, that's how you butterfly click, guys. And... Wait, what? Alright, never mind. Yeah, so that's how you guys butterfly click. So, yeah. See you in the next video. Bye.